What's going on, guys? AJ here. So in this video my mother has put on a charcoal face mask and now she's going to remove it. So this is my first satisfying video that I'll be showing you guys right now. So let's begin.
Wait.
You guys can hear the face mask coming off her skin.
एकदम थोड़ा दूर अभी You can see this.
So guys, you can see that her
थोड़ा
skin-
दूर से
So guys, as you guys can see that her skin is now. So her skin is now.
ऐसे सब कुछ मत दो.
So guys, as you can see her
She's
skin,
removing the mask
she's still removing the mask.
and that's black charcoal.
Yes, it's black charcoal. It's paining a lot.
Yeah, it's paining. थोड़ा दूर है. It's painful. See, my eyes are watering. It's. My eyes are watering. Just wait for a second.
Because it pulls out the skin like the thing, the hair.
One second. Pause कर.
It's completely removed the half and her eyes is watery. And now she will just remove the top part of her head. This part is the most painful because there's hair and it can also pain. As you guys can see, she's crying.
थोड़ा दूर है. Let me see on my mobile.
Yes.
I don't want to remove my eyebrows. So you can see.
Water.
Tissue paper दे.
Why don't you just wash it in the water?
You can't wash it. You have to peel it off. This is peel.
Oof.
But I don't want to remove my eyebrows as well. So I need to take care of this.
There you go. Now she can just pull upwards and I think it will come off.
It's stuck to my hair over here. So I really need to be very fair. And I don't want to remove my hair.
So you need to be a pain warrior for this thing. You actually want to crumble the pain.
But after
Removing it is very nice. Yeah, see?
this is the mask that I just removed.
And look how beautiful her face is.
So now I want to just wash it.
But
It
here, just
becomes
ignore
so
that.
clear.
Yes.
And now I'm going to just wash it, and after washing I will show you my real face.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay. The water is coming on me also.
So you can see.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, share and subscribe to me and my other two channels, Hema Joshi My Life Vlogs and Bharat Joshi Vlogs. That's it. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe.